Hi everyone, Joanny Machin here with Cruisers Yachts. Come check out what's the latest and the greatest on display. So here we have the stunning 50 GLS, my absolute favorite. It is perfect, like a private island out on the water. I love that everything is completely enclosed and that you have tons of entertainment space. 2 beach platforms when she's all open, 24 feet across the beam. Come check it out. 2 grills back here for the chefs. Beautiful layout, made for entertaining. Pop-up TV so you can tailgate on the water. Not 1, not 2, 3 refrigerators and an ice maker as well. And I mean, check out this helm display. Doesn't get any better than that for 70 years of American yacht building. My second favorite boat is going to be the 42 GLS. So this is the 50 GLS's little sister, full wrap-around windshield, keeping you protected from the elements. Again, that amazing entertainment space and layout that Cruisers Yachts is known for. And just fantastic for the sandbar. Twin 600s on this one too. 34 GLS, this is the baby of the group. And there's not very much small things about it. What I love is it has an ice maker and 2 fridges. Excuse me. Oh, it's cool. Come on in and welcome. Joystick control, optional sunroof, ample bow. I mean, you get a lot of boat for 34 feet and a beautiful appointed cabin as well. Now, if you're ready for an adventure, you're gonna wanna check out Cruisers Yachts' newest launches. This is the 38 VTR. Venture Track Rome. This thing will take you anywhere you want to go. Debuting here with the lounge configuration aft, all 1 level, so I love that it makes it real easy to get around. And then we also have the enclosed version as well.
Now it's condos. Oh, it's all condos now. Holdings condos. The ankles are still there, yeah. Still looks great. But yeah, across the way, that boat sales place that was right there on the road.
Peekaboo. So 38 feet, 2 sleeping areas. Check how cool this is. You can have this as an additional cabin arrangement or use it as toy storage. All air conditioned and ready to go. So guys, I just wanted to thank you once again for joining me on this little tour of the new releases for Cruisers Yachts. Joanny Machin, come check us out.